Hi, Mine. Happy Valentine's Day. Gusto ko magpasalamat kasi kahit may pagkukulang ako sa'yo, nandiyan ka pa rin. Kahit na minsan hindi kita natitext, natutulugan kita, pilit mo pa rin ako naiintindi kasi alam ko namang mahal mo ako. Mine, sana hindi ka magbabago. Yung pagiging super sweet mo. Gusto ko lang na sabihin I love you dahil yan ka. Mine, sana maging happy ka. Sana magustuhan mo itong presentation ko. Kahit simple lang, buong puso ko naman ginawa yan para sa'yo. Mine, flowers for you. Yan. Mahal na kasi flowers ngayon eh. Walang pambili. Joke. Hindi. Pero, huwag ka mag-alala. Props lang yan. Mine, may kanta pala ako sa'yo. Pakinggan mo kahit na sintonado, kahit na wala akong gitara, alam mo naman hindi ako magaling mag-gitara. Sana magustuhan mo pa rin kasi gusto ko talagang gawin sa ito. Ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng lakas ng loob. Ayun, I love you. Pakinggan mo Love you. Took one look at forever without in front of one smile and a time. I need to be right by you. So I was thought I had everything figured out. But away plays out. I take one step away, but I find myself coming back to you, my one and only, one and only. Now I know that I know not a thing at all, except the fact that I'm yours and that you are mine. Oh, you told me that this wouldn't be easy. And no, I'm not the one to complain. I take one step away, but I find myself coming back to you, my one and only, one and only. I take one step away, but I find myself coming back to you, my one and only, one and only you. Bye bye. Love you. Valentine's.